What's up, YouTube? So Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish and it's continuing its pump, but I got some very important stuff I want to show you before you guys go all into Bitcoin. Alright, so stick around and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so I want to show you something here, and that's the RLZ. And if you press the link in the left or right or some corner somewhere where it will show up, I'm going to talk about the RLZ. The RLZ is the reload zone, and I'll explain more in detail what the RLZ is in the video that I've got linked above. So let's mark out this RLZ here by using this high up here to this low here. This is the short RLZ of the dump from 20k down to 3k, right? So as you can see here, we did touch this RLZ right here at around 14k before we started our new bear trend, right? Bear trend, sorry. Bad trend? Yeah, bad trend. It's not a bear trend, obviously, it's a bear trend. And let's then mark out this RLZ here from this low to this high. Should be the short RLZ, so we're going to use that high to this low. Now here's the short RLZ, right? No, sorry, that's completely wrong. You should use the high here to the low here, of course. And as you can see here, we got the short RLZ of this dump coming up here, and it's confluent with this area, right? The area that I've talked about in so many of my videos, the area between 10.1 or yeah, let's say 10k and 10.5k. So 10k and 10.5k. This is high time frame resistance, and that's the area that needs to be reclaimed for us to get out of this weekly downtrend and enter a weekly uptrend. So it's very interesting that we are once again coming up into the short RLZ like we did up here. We got a heavy reaction at on the short RLZ of this dump, and we are now approaching the short RLZ once again up here, and it's also confluent with the last weekly swing high. So taking out this level will begin a new weekly uptrend, right? So that's super important for Bitcoin. I do think that we will get a breakout of this current range that we're trading in. I think we will test 10k or even 10.5k in the coming days before the halving or whatever you want to call it. And if we I explained all of this in my last Bitcoin update, so if you guys want to go back and check a more detailed high time frame analysis of Bitcoin price action, go back and check out my last video. This one is purely focused on the RLZ confluence with the 10.5 resistance area. So this area being exactly the same level that we got reacted here, right in the middle between the 618 and the 702. The 618 and the 702, right in the middle, we got this high here. So it's looking very similar, right? So that's some added confluence to the 10.5 level, right? And why do I care about the RLZ, right? Well, let me show you why I care about the RLZ. Because I've traded the RLZ on some very big moves in the past, right? So let's see. Which one is it? This one. So let's measure the long RLZ. And to get the long RLZ, you use the low to the high instead of the high to the low. And that will get you the long RLZ here. And what do you know? The long RLZ of this up move is right here. And what did happen here? Well, we had a picture perfect bounce of the midpoint of the RLZ. I actually did layer some bids inside this area, and I'll show you something else very interesting. I layered some bids in this area, got filled in about 50% of my position, and what I did then was I was looking to long the long RLZ and short the short RLZ. Now let me show you the short RLZ. So it used the high up here to the low down here. Where does the short RLZ come in? Well, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. So just as I layered some bids in here, I averaged out of my position up here for a very nice, let's see, for a very nice 65% move. So that's why I care about the RLZ, because Bitcoin likes to trade off the RLZ, right? The 602, the 702 and the 618 Fibonacci retracement level for Bitcoin is very important. It's not all Bitcoin, it works in all assets and in all markets. But that's it, guys. That's just a quick video to update you on what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. And again, expect heavy reaction at the 10.5k area for Bitcoin. If we reclaim that area, however, super mega bullish for the long term. But it's going to act as strong resistance until proven otherwise. Alright guys, so that's it. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Wednesday. I will do another weekly Bitcoin update coming up on Sunday. And in the Burbness, we have a lot of new forex setups that's working out very, very good. So I'm going to post a couple of interesting forex setups for you guys too. And obviously the alt market is very quiet, so I don't have a lot of alt trades for you guys. No high probability trades on altcoins at all. So the ones I do find will be posted in the Burbness trading community. I might, show you guys a couple of of those in this channel, but obviously the good ones I need to keep private for the Burbness members. Alright guys, that's it. Take care everyone, and see you in my next video.